The video is about removing browser notifications that are coming from the website Datingmint.top. Datingmint.top is a malicious website. It says that you need to click on a allow button, supposedly to help you watch some movie or to download it to stream it. In reality, it's a mistake to click on allow, because as soon as the allow button gets clicked, the browser is hijacked immediately. You may be first of all redirected to some pretty filthy websites not suitable for some people. But what's more dangerous is that you may also receive a lot of filthy ads in the right part of your computer screen. I have hidden this bad content from your eyes, otherwise Google would accuse me of spreading that bad content. So you should deactivate these ads urgently. Go to the menu, Settings, select Privacy and Security, Site Settings, go to Permissions, then Notifications. Pay attention to the websites allowed to send notifications. When you find this Datingmint.top, make sure you remove this filthy site from the list. And also remove other junk sites from the list. To make sure that your system is free of other threats, I recommend researching your computer with Combo Cleaner Antivirus, which you may get on the official page combocleaner.com. Use this green download button, install the program, and then begin researching your system with its help to identify and eliminate other threats. After you have successfully downloaded and installed Combo Cleaner Antivirus, it will be in the trial mode, so only the quick scan option is available. Click on Start Scan button. The program will first of all update its antivirus database for proper malware detection and elimination. You will notice that most likely the program will start identifying certain threats on your computer. While the scanning is taking place, you may experiment with some of the settings of Combo Cleaner Antivirus. For instance, there is a special feature called anti-ransomware, which is the part of the premium license. Anti-ransomware feature of Combo Cleaner helps you to add one or several folders on your system that will be protected against all sorts of ransomware attacks. Then, after the scanning has been completed, you'll see the detailed summary of threats that were found during the scanning. The summary will show you the name of the threat and its exact location on your computer. You'll be able to remove each threat manually by going to these locations, or you may consider upgrading to the premium license to remove these threats automatically.